can't lie and say that fireplace don't look good. You can't lie and say that fireplace don't look good. Y'all see this? So I got 2 litter boxes. This whole area is just... My ears are itching. I swear people are talking about me. I also bought this from Walmart, so we're gonna see how that turns out. And I'm about to set up this whole area for my washer. Okay, the light went out. Okay. Yeah. So as I was saying, I'm going to get this area. Okay, that's not funny. Anyway, did you just take that iron right there and burn your face? Okay, like I was saying, I'm about to get this area together. Come with me while I do it. That's just how we do it. Do it, and then we how we do it. Do it. Oh shit. Okay. Anyway, I'm about to get this whole kitchen area together. So join me while we do this. Okay. So the first step is sweeping. Now, these cats, they disrespectful as shit. I ain't even gonna hold you up. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm not a first time cat owner, right? This ain't my first time having a cat. But this the first time I done had litter all over the motherfucker. These niggas is disrespectful. But I wasn't. You know how when a parent ain't the best parent to their first child, but then when they have more kids, they like, I can do better. I'm doing better, okay? However, these motherfuckers is low key. I'm not even gonna lie. They low key disrespectful. But that's irrelevant. As we were saying, we're going to sweep away all of this litter. Now, first of all, my cat, first of all, my cats only had 1 litter box. They only had 1 litter box. I gave these stinking motherfuckers 2. I gave them 2 litter boxes. And y'all have a nerve to have the litter all over the place. But you know what? I'm trying not to yell at them. Because you might have effed up your first cat, Pax. Because you were a crazy lunatic. Maybe. So I'm really trying my best not to be a crazy lunatic with these cats, you know? But that is hard. So then you sweep everything you have just in a corner. I'm just gonna sweep everything. I like to sweep everything in a corner because it traps it. So what we're gonna do is sweep everything in this corner. Whew. Baby, I'm tired. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm tired. Huh? What I tell y'all about moving around on me, okay? Stay in one spot. Goodness gracious. Now, white people say you should clean your litter box every day, but ain't first of all, I like my spaghetti with noodles. What? You too old for that. Ugh. How did you get in here? Get it wet. You never mind. It'll sing with time until we never need a night. Get it wet. And then we never night. And sing with some time. Get it wet. And sing with some night. And sing with some night. Get it wet. Get it wet. Get it wet! Girl, I'm not gonna tell you again. Get it wet. So as that's running at 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm gonna be over here doing this. Okay. Another day. Ugh. Okay, another day. Okay, your feet wasn't too funky that day. Oh, smells like a foot fetish to me. Ooh. Left foot, right foot, left foot, right. Both smell good. Oh, shoot. Okay. The balls smell good. Let's smell the butt. It's not too bad. Ugh. I smell good, fresh. Okay. Okay. Socks. Okay. What the fuck? Oh. I think these cats might be triggering my. I think these cats might be triggering my. My seasonal allergies. Bless me. Okay, so once you have your clothes in the portable washer machine, is that a snot booger? I don't want you to see me like this. No. So once you put the lid on, you put the clothes in. Okay, so once your clothes are in the washer, that's when you continue to do the rest of getting your cat stuff together. I mean, my screen is frozen. Sorry, y'all, that was a little behind the scenes. And then you move everything out of your way. So I ordered a jumbo cat litter mat. You know, for their litter and everything. Jumbo! Oh my god, I can't wait to open this jumbo Oh, you're so jumbo. Yeah, you are. You're just so jumbo. Just very jumbo. That's it? Oh. When they say they jumbo, but they more like Dumbo. And then you slap Big Jumbo dead on the ground, just like this. I'm sorry, baby. You can go slowly right here. Yeah. Damn, I fell asleep for a second. Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm sleep deprived. This is not Jumbo. I'm very upset about this. Just like my fireplace, I've been getting wrongly accused of properly purchasing an item and not receiving advertisement for said item. And it's 3 o'clock in the morning. It's 3:35 and I gotta work tomorrow, probably a double. So let me just get this done. Hi, I'm 𝘨𝘪𝘳𝘭𝘭. I mean 𝘨𝘪𝘳𝘭𝘭. I mean hi. I am AI. No, I mean hi, Duran AI. No, I mean. Hi, I'm Duran. Hey, you guys. Hi. Wait, I'm Duran. Hi, I'm Duran. And as you can see, hi, I'm Duran. I can guarantee you, these two 12-year-old cats that I just donated, that I just adopted, I swear they're somewhere sitting, listening to all this like, girl, I think we was better off in the shelter. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this. I'm going to put this in that little corner too. How much you want to bet that 10 times out of 8, this shit is way smaller than this picture portrays it to be? We're going to put that together. It's almost 4 in the morning, so I'm not really going to do the whole thing and all that. I'm about to get everything together, clean up that little area, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looked like after. Okay? Because I'm tired. I'm tired. Quiz, put in the comments right now which family smiles like that. I'm telling you, look at this part. Who does that remind you of? You ain't even got to say the family. Just comment down the one person that looks like. And if that's the case, you need to like, comment, and subscribe. Anyway, so we're halfway done. I put, don't look at the poop in there. I ain't cleaned that part yet. So I put together this little, where we at? This little thing. And as predicted, it's smaller than expected, but it's also the exact size that I expected. And when I bought it, my mind was like, what are you going to put in there? And my mind said, I don't know. We going to see when we get it there. So I'm not quite sure what we going to do with that. But we'll see. Y'all hear how sexy that sounds? The clothes in the dryer. Sexy. That's the dryer. What is that? What is this? Numbers in your pocket. Hi. Hi. Come here. Come here, baby. Okay. So without further ado, and this is how it looks now. This is how it looks now. Yes. So when you walk into my kitchen, yeah, you see the stove area with the fridge right here. But then you walk in and you see, oh, he got a portable laundry. Oh, he got cats. Oh, he got storage. Oh, he got an ironing board. Oh, he got another cat. Oh, he got closet in here. Oh, he got stuff here. So I made space of this, and I ain't gonna lie, it's actually a perfect size. It's not too big or too little than I thought it was. This is definitely Goldilocks. So at the top we have the cat food and drinks. We have cat food back here, canned food. We have water that's specific. Oh! Y'all couldn't wait to act a fool when the camera came out. So we got the water. Then down here we have my iron. We have a couple washcloths or towels back there. Then we have my little vacuum, thing. And then we have cat litter down here with my scooper with both cat litters down here. So I made good use of that. And I just love it. I love how it looks. I feel it just gives clean, tidy, nice. Now they only use one litter box, which really pisses me off. But this is what it really looks like behind the scenes. So these clothes are still soaking wet, and I already put it in the dryer for 10 minutes. I took a couple wine breaks, and wine makes me God dang! Okay. Excuse me, darn it. My drawers on here. The other clothes in my closet, they wet. I gotta be at work in a few hours. I waited until the very really nigga. I waited until the very last. This the behind the scenes. I didn't expect all this to start happening. Excuse me, but this is what happens when you wait till the last minute. So, what is happening? I want to show y'all this part too, because everybody just like think I'm just so cool. Like, look at Duran, he's so cool. Like real people in real life who like know me and knew me from like school and seen me transform my life from who I was then to who I am now. And now I've given my life to Christ, and it's like I can only imagine what the people who back then who know me think of me. Like, goodness gracious, if he can do it, I can do it. I hope that's what you guys think. That's my whole goal, is to think if I can do it, you can do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, because if I actually go somewhere with my life, I would be surprised, to be honest. And like, I've always said, oh, I'm alone, and I'm alone, which I am emotionally on a day-to-day basis. However, I've had so many people in my life that has encouraged me, who has told me that they looked up to me and that they have been inspired by me. Grown-ups, when I'm in my early teens you know, middle teens, you know, grown-ups telling me that. So I always felt it was a heavy responsibility. Like, I always felt like I had to be this perfect guy all the time, because growing up a homosexual little black kid, you know, everybody already have you pegged, you know. And for me, I didn't feel like I was anything that people said I was. Here, go watch some of my other videos to really know the story behind that. But I've always trusted God, and God has always trusted me, more importantly. Because I don't want to say I've always trusted God, because there might have been times that maybe I didn't. I might not have vocally said, I don't trust God. But my actions have shown, you know what, you walking around here like you don't trust God. You know, so I don't know. But oh my God, these hiccups won't go away. This is actually something that happens to me all the time. You know, I'm just thinking, because I'm talking to my friend right now, and he said something, I said something, then he responded with, so, you know, every time I say something, you say this, and you know, what's the problem about? And I'm just like, everybody says that to me as though, like, I'm the villain in everybody's life. And like I told him, you're just mad because I'm calling you out on your shit, you know. And he said, he was like, yeah, stop calling me out on my shit. And I said, if that's not what you want in a person, you don't be my friend. I don't need you as a friend. I don't need you. I've made it here by myself, with myself. I don't need you. I want you in my life. I want to be your friend. I want you to like me. I want me to like you. I want to be in your life. I want you in my life. But it's like he doesn't want me in his life. He keeps rejecting it. And he's in my life, but he don't want me in his. And I'm not dealing with that. No. Every time I say something, people take it as an attack. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm venting, y'all. What I meant to say was, yeah, I gotta work in a few hours, and these clothes are soaking wet. Like, this shirt is soaking wet. And these are all my uniforms for work tomorrow. But you know what I said? Because that usually works pretty well. So, in the morning, if I wake up, what's going on? If I wake up in enough time, I'll be able to, if they're still not dry, I'll put them in that spin cycle again, take my shower, hopefully shave. Hopefully I'll wake up in enough time to shave, and I'll do that. And then, if not, I'll just be wearing some dirty scrubs. Wouldn't be my first time. I'm just saying. Anyway, y'all missed. Well, y'all didn't miss it because I ain't do it yet. But I'm going to do a DIY. Do it yourself. Wait, what DIY stand for? Did it yourself. Yo start with a Y. Did it yourself. Yeah, that makes logical sense to me. Did it yourself. Fuck them. Oh shoot, I'm cussing. Sorry. Woo, it's late. I need to go to sleep. I really do. It's been a long night. I did my whole living room because y'all know I bought this from Goodwill. Y'all watch my other videos and y'all will see that a lot has happened today on February 17th, 2023. But I'm going to make a litter box out of this. I'm not doing it tonight though. I'm done. What? I said I'm not doing it tonight. I said I'm not doing it tonight. Anyway, like I was saying, so this is this little section. So this is how you get your life together when you have two cats all of a sudden because you got depressed and you felt lonely and you needed some type of responsibility. And this is beautiful. I'm so proud of myself. I mean, this is so beautiful. I am so proud of myself. And you should be too. Whether you are here, and I don't mean if you're literally physically by yourself like I am, physically and mentally and emotionally and off financially and everything. However, you can be around people and still feel alone. And I just want you to know that it shouldn't stop you. I'm in a apartment that's, I don't even think it's 500 square feet. But guess what? This is my home. This is my cat's home. This is something that I did for myself. And nobody can take that away from me. Nobody. Not even me. My job on this earth is to go through shit so that I can show y'all that you can go through shit and come out on the other side. And if you don't get that from my channel, then get your punk ass butt off of my channel. But if you understand me, and if you understand life, did he say life or did he say like? Make sure you push that like button with that subscribe. And make sure you comment. And if you don't comment and you like or don't like or subscribe, at least make sure you a view. And if you ain't neither of those four things, why are you even here? Are you a ghost? I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to qualify y'all. Y'all remember that little test and shit? Shit. Oh hell no, I mean you trying to play around. I try to act like I was tripping over something so I could end the video, and then my foot end up actually tripping over something. I gotta go. It's too late. I gotta go to sleep. Peace and love. May God be with y'all. I love y'all. I don't know why, but my childhood crush back in school, your name is popping up in my head. So maybe you're gonna watch this. Maybe God is gonna see if you watch this, and I want you to know that you are still loved, you know, by another human being in this world, and don't ever feel as though you are ever alone, because there's someone else that's alone with you. And if you guys are both alone, then that means that you guys aren't alone at all.